Capybara sit on log. He try to be happy. He get good job. He buy nice thing. He eat good food. He still feel empty inside. Capybara confused. Why happiness not stay? Today Capybara find out why. Capybara used to think happiness was destination. Like if he just get the thing, he will finally feel okay. Get the job. Feel happy for 1 week. Buy the shoes. Feel happy for 2 days. Eat the nice meal. Feel happy for 1 hour. Then nothing. Back to normal. Capybara feel broken. But Capybara not broken. Capybara brain just working exactly as designed. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Human brain was never built for happiness. It was built for survival. And today Capybara teach you what this mean and how to use it in your favor. 1. The hedonic treadmill. Capybara discover something called hedonic adaptation. Big word, simple idea. No matter what happened to Capybara, good or bad, his brain always returned to same baseline mood after some time. Studies follow lottery winners. 1 year after winning millions, their happiness level returned to same as before winning. Capybara find this devastating, but also fascinating. This happened because brain treat new thing as new threat or new reward only briefly. Then it adapt. Then new thing become normal thing. This is why new job excite Capybara for 1 month. Why new home feel amazing for 1 season. Then it just become the place where Capybara exist. Brain do this on purpose. If Capybara stay happy forever after getting food, he stop looking for more food. He die. So brain reset happiness to keep Capybara hungry. Keep Capybara moving. Keep Capybara alive. Capybara not broken. Capybara just ancient survival machine in modern world. 2. The negativity bias. Capybara noticed something. 1 bad comment ruin his whole day. 10 good things happen and Capybara forget. 1 bad thing happen and Capybara remember forever. This also not accident. Brain evolved to remember bad things more than good things. In ancient time, forgetting the bush where the predator hide meant Capybara get eaten. So brain stamp bad memory deep. Good memory fade faster. This mean Capybara brain is constantly scanning for problem, threat, danger. Even when life is objectively fine, brain still looking for the thing that could go wrong. Modern world give Capybara 10,000 things to be anxious about every single day. News, social media, comparison. Ancient brain not built for this volume of threat. So Capybara feel constant low-level dread even when nothing actually wrong. 3. The comparison machine. Capybara look at other Capybara on phone. Other Capybara look happier, richer, more successful. Capybara feel worse about his own life. Brain evolved to compare. In small tribe, knowing where Capybara stood in social hierarchy was matter of survival. Low status meant less food, less safety, less everything. So brain constantly measuring Capybara against others. But now Capybara not comparing himself to 30 tribe members. He comparing himself to millions of people on internet. Carefully selected highlight reel of their best moment. Brain cannot tell difference. It just see higher status Capybara and feel threat. This why more access to information and more connection make modern Capybara feel more lonely and more inadequate than ever before. So what Capybara do with this? Capybara cannot delete ancient brain, but he can understand it, and understanding it change everything. Capybara stop chasing happiness as destination. Instead he chase meaning, small action, present moment. These things do not fade the same way. Helping other Capybara, building something, learning hard thing, moving body. These create something deeper than happiness. They create satisfaction, and satisfaction is something brain does not adapt away so quickly. Capybara also practice gratitude, not because it feel natural. It does not feel forced at first, but deliberately noticing good things train brain to counteract the negativity bias over time. Small practice, big change, and Capybara put down phone. Comparison only cause pain when Capybara feed it. When he stop feeding it, brain slowly quiet down. Capybara still sit on logs sometimes and feel empty, but now he understand why, and understanding why make it so much easier to bear. Brain not your enemy, it's just old, and you are the first generation of Capybara trying to use ancient mind in world it was never designed for. Be patient with yourself. Always remember, stay Capybara.